Hello, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Spices and Flavors by Shobha Balasubramaniam. Today we are seeing the recipe of Oma Pudi. This is a savory, very popular dish which is prepared during festivals. Since Diwali is round the corner, you can definitely give this a try. This is a very simple and a very yummy dish. Please do try this and give me a feedback. Now let's go to the recipe. So I am taking 2 cups of besan flour or the kadale hittu or the kadala maav from the standard measurement. You can take any measurement. Please sieve the besan. Second cup. I am adding just a tablespoon of rice flour. For Oma Pudi, actually it need not be spicy. Still I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of chilli powder. It will enhance the taste. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or the hing. You can add little more if you want to. And required salt. And now we will be adding the omam water. For omam water, I have soaked ajwain or the om kalu or the omam. This is the ajwain. This I have soaked, I have taken about 2 teaspoon and soaked it in little water for about 2 to 3 hours. Then I have ground it in mixie along with water, then filtered the water. So this is the filtered water. This water we will be adding to the batter now. This omam water which we will be adding, it will add very good taste to the Oma Pudi. But take care not to add too much, as if it is added too much, the taste will be bitter. The taste of the Oma Pudi will be bitter. And some people add the ajwain as such into the Oma Pudi, but I usually add the omam water, as sometimes the ajwain seeds, they may get stuck into the billai or the achu of this chakli press. Check for salt. Now add the omam water little by little. So I have added so much and kept this much of water. Now add water little by little. So let this be the consistency of the dough. It should not be very tight, otherwise you will not be able to press it into the oil. I will also be adding a tablespoon of hot oil. You can either add this hot oil or a tablespoon of butter. The Oma Pudis will be very crisp. Now we will keep oil for frying. When the oil is hot, we will press it into the oil. I have kept oil in a kadai. Take sufficient oil. The Oma Pudi which we will be frying in the oil should not touch the bottom. Out of the dough what we have kept ready, I am just taking very little and keeping it here. See, whenever we do any savory for any festival, we just do like this out of the dough, and it is the symbolic of Lord Ganesha, the alleviator of all hurdles. So it's just symbolic. And this is the bilai which we will be using, or the achu. Please grease the inside of this chakli maker. Take little dough. Just put it inside this and close it with this. And then when the oil is hot, we'll press this into the hot oil. We'll check now. It's coming up. That means the oil is hot enough. Now we'll press this into the oil. Let it be in medium height. Don't turn it the other side immediately. Flip it to the other side. The bubbles should subside, which means it is done. We can take this out. Slowly take this out. Put it into a strainer. We'll put the next batch now. Press the next batch. This is quite an easy recipe. Even a beginner can do this. Those who have never tried this can definitely make a try. And I'm sure you'll be successful. See, you'll have to clean like this. You have to take all these and then fill the dough for the next batch. We'll flip this. Slowly flip it so that the round is intact. Though we are worried more about the taste, we definitely do love a particular shape for each dish, right? So for Omapudi, if it is round like this, it will be really good to look at. Yeah, this is also done. Likewise, you finish the entire dough. Once you have finished frying the Omapudis, just put off the flame. Just fry a few curry leaves. You can fry this after putting off the gas. So, Omapudi is ready to be served. Please try this for the upcoming festival, Diwali, and do give me a feedback. The yummy and tasty Omapudi is ready to be served. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please like the video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel Spices and Flavors by Shobha. Thank you. Bye-bye.